to the elections in the state of Maharashtra, the Election Commission is in the eye of the storm once again just for doing its job. The Uddhav faction of the Shiv Sena appeared rather miffed as their officials searched the belongings of the former Chief Minister twice in the last 2 days. Two videos that have now emerged where the former Maharashtra Chief Minister's belongings were being inspected by the Election Commission officials in Yavatmal and also in Dharashiv, where he is seen questioning the officials, presumably recording the video and alleging bias against him and his alliance partners. He even went on to dare the Election Commission to inspect the bags of senior BJP leaders. And that is exactly what the Election Commission seems to have now done. The BJP has now rebutted with several videos of the Election Commission searching the bags of the Maharashtra Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis. Not just him, the BJP has also released more videos of an inspection being carried out on the chopper of the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari during the ongoing campaign. In fact, this is the fact check that has been done by the NDA, by the BJP to the India bloc. First up, here's what happened as we put out the sequence of events where Uddhav Thackeray's bags were being searched, and then we'll tell you exactly when it comes to the war of words, how the faction was crying foul and was talking about bias in the manner and the conduct by the EC officials.
बीच में मत आओ. जरा बाजू.
उघडा ना. आपण बॅग उघडली तर हे पण उघडायला
काय उघडायचं ते उघडा, नंतर मी उघडतो तुम्हाला.
आता उद्या नागपूरला दिसणार का तुम्ही? नागपूरला येतात ते साहेब. माझी ड्युटी नाही, तुमची ड्युटी मर्यादित आहे.
करो खोलो. नाही 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 हो दादा, 1 मिनिट. पहिलं आय कार्ड. काय नाव?
महेश शानिमी. महेश शानिमी.
कुठले?
जिल्हा परिषद बांधकाम.
जिल्हा परिषद. अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर कुठे तुमचं? दाखवा सगळ्यांचं अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर. तुमची पाकिटं दाखवा, तुमच्या खिशात किती पैसे आहेत आणि महाराष्ट्रातले सगळ्यात सगळ्यात तुमचं अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दाखवा. कधीपासून नोकरीत आहात? किती जणांना तपासलंय? किती नावं सांगा पटपट पटपट.
आपली पहिलीच सभा असल्यामुळे आपल्याला
माझी पहिलीच. दरवेळेला मीच पहिला गिराईक. हा, आज आता मोदी येतात, मोदींकडे पाठवतो ना तुम्हाला. सोलापूरचा एअरपोर्ट बंद आहे. नाही नाही अडचण नाही. मोदींना तपासलं, त्यांना सस्पेंड केलं होतं ओरिसामध्ये.
So following this controversy over these tapes, these videos, Uddhav Thackeray has demanded the Election Commission to also check the bags and the belongings of senior BJP leaders. And this is what the BJP is now referring to as the target that Uddhav faction of the Shiv Sena has now become. There is also a counter that is also coming in from the BJP side.
आणि यंत्रणेला मी सांगितोय की मी काही रागावलेलो नाही अजिबात. तुम्ही तुमचं कर्तव्य करता, मी माझं कर्तव्य करतोय. मग मी त्याला विचारलं, जशी माझी बॅग तू तपासलीस, मोदी शांची बॅग तपासलीस का रे? तपासायला हवी की नको? त्या दाढीवाल्या मिंद्याची तपासायला हवी की नको? गुलाबी जॅकेटाची तपासायला हवी की नको? दुसरा तुमचा कोण? तरबूज. त्याची बॅग तपासायला हवी की नको? कारण पंतप्रधान येतात सगळं. मला मी बघितलेलं नाही, पण वायुदलाचं विमान वापरत असतील तर तो गुन्हा आहे.
Well, as far as the counter that is now coming in, also not just from the BJP but also from Ajit Pawar's side, this is the latest update where the Maharashtra Deputy CM Ajit Pawar has also put out a video where he says that his bags and helicopter were also checked by the Election Commission officials, and he duly complied with the rules and regulations to ensure that there is free and fair regulations that are followed during the election season. We have Abhishek joining us right now. And Abhishek, that means as far as the EC officials and the conduct and the SOPs are concerned, nobody is spared, nobody is given a favorable treatment as to the dare that was given by Uddhav Thackeray and his political party. Everyone has to go through these checks and inspections.
See, definitely, and this is what the Election Commission has proved now, because there are certain protocols and guidelines which has been followed when you do election campaigns and senior leaders while they're using the choppers from one place to another. And we have seen how Uddhav Thackeray not once but twice, Yavatmal and then Osmanabad yesterday. He had certain confrontation with those election commission officials who were on ground, who were just doing their duties, and he also asked for their identity cards and also in a way threatened them that you check me now, I will check you later. You know, these kind of statements were made by Uddhav Thackeray, and during the rally he also attacked election commission, alleging that why only me, you know, why not Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and other senior leaders of Mahayuti who are doing campaign across the state. And what we see from yesterday onwards, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and the recent video of Ajit Pawar in Baramati, where election commission officials are clearly being seen checking the chopper along with the luggage that is there in the chopper, and we can see how pleasantly the Deputy Chief Minister is cooperating with the election officials.
Well, that's when it comes to the meaning that is now given out through these videos that have been shared by both of the Deputy Chief Ministers. Let's stay on with us, Abhishek. Let's go across to Siddharth as well. Siddharth, what is Ajit Pawar now saying?
So this is what Ajit Pawar in fact tweeted a short while ago, Amitabh, and he's of course put the entire sequence of events where his chopper was being scrutinized and checked by officials of the Election Commission. That's the video that he's put out, and he said, today while on my way for election campaigning, the Election Commission conducted a routine check of my bags and helicopter. I fully cooperated and believe that such measures are essential to ensure free and fair elections. Let us all respect the law and support efforts to uphold the integrity of our democracy. So without directly naming Uddhav Thackeray, clearly taking a dig at him by talking about his own cooperation with due process that's being followed by the Election Commission officials here.
Well, it remains to be seen if this controversy now would be put to rest. Thank you very much, Siddharth. Abhishek continues to be with us as there has been more updates that are now coming in the poll-bound state of Maharashtra. And of course, there has been a heated debate both between the Mahayuti and the India bloc leaders. The BJP now saying that Uddhav Thackeray's behavior shows when it comes to the elitist mindset of the India bloc and their complete disregard for constitutional bodies.
देखिए, बैक चेकिंग तो सबकी हो रही है, लेकिन जो हार रहे हैं वो सहानुभूति लेने के लिए अपनी वीडियो क्लिप मीडिया सोशल मीडिया पे डाल रहे हैं। ये बैक चेकिंग तो फडणवीस जी की भी हुई है, वो आदरणीय गडकरी जी की हुई है, हेलीकॉप्टर चेक किए जा रहे हैं। तो इलेक्शंस कमीशन पे उंगली उठाना इनका एक रवैया बन गया है, क्योंकि इनको लगता है हार होगी तो कुछ तो इलेक्शन कमीशन पे ही डालना पड़ेगा ना जी। अभी थोड़ी बाद में मशीनों के बारे में भी बोल सकते हैं, कुछ और भी बोल सकते हैं कि बैटरी डाउन होगी, ज़्यादा होगी, पता नहीं क्या क्या बहाने लेके आते हैं। इसलिए पहला बहाना इन्होंने आज से शुरू कर दिया है, क्योंकि वो हार दिख रही है उनको।
It is most unfortunate that Uddhav Thackeray keeps Parivar Tantra above Samvidhanic institutions, and the manner in which he was threatening the official who was checking his bag, even though he was only doing his duty, shows that this is neither Mohabbat ki dukaan and neither do they actually follow Samvidhan. Today, if they were following Samvidhan, they would have not threatened the officials like this, because the EC officials check everyone's bag. They have checked the bags of BJP leaders, they have checked the bags of even Amit Shah ji in previous elections. But this shows the sense of entitlement, arrogance and considering oneself above Samvidhan. Also, Rahul Gandhi must be asked that is this MVA's Mohabbat ki dukaan?
While questions that are being raised on part of the conduct of the EC officials, the India bloc, on the other hand, continues to maintain that the Election Commission's approach is one-sided. Here's how they are responding.
This is we all know that Election Commission's neutrality has been in a questionable level a long time, and the way of they fixed the elections date also we all know that. In Haryana what it happened we all know that. Therefore, we can't expect neutrality from the Election Commission, the present Election Commission. It has become one-sided, and therefore they will only check the backs of the opposition leaders. They will never check the backs of Mr. Amit Shah or Mr. Modi. We can't expect this to be done by the spineless election commissioners who are sitting in Delhi.